Philippine Army, Director of 1302nd CDC as keynote speaker. To officially start the program, may I request everyone to please stand for the mass singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Tayo kayo lahat, tayo.
May I call on Master Sergeant Ricardo B. Cada, Philippine Army Reserve, the Battalion Sergeant Major of 1302nd Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion for the invocation. Amen. Officers, you may now be seated. May I call on Major Gerald T. Betsaida, Infantry Philippine Army Reserve, the officer in charge of 1302nd Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion for the welcome remarks.
Welcome to this activity.
Thank you, sir. At this juncture, may I call on Colonel Raul S. Vigo, Infantry GSC Philippine Army, the Director of 1302nd CDC, to be assisted by Major Gerald T. Betsaida, Infantry Philippine Army, and Major Elmer F. Guevara, Philippine Army Reserve, for the donning of ranks.
Prepare. Doon na obras, magkumat na yung leader. Cut, ang ano yan ha, kumang. Yan. Good. Tiyap. Stop.
Allow me to read the citation. Headquarters NCR Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command Philippine Army, Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City, NCRRC-TGA Special 1 dated 11 November 2024. Following named and listed reservists of NCRRC-TGA Rescom Philippine Army, Fort Andres Bonifacio, Taguig City are promoted to the next higher rank grade as indicated effective 01 November 2024 to be Sergeant Corporal Noel L. De La Merced, NLT 10-00113, Philippine Army Reserve. Corporal Alan E. Bruzo, MLT 11-001613, Philippine Army Reserve.
Stop. I-proud na na-promote ko yan.
Corporal Jesse Farco, ML 833-5951, Philippine Army Reserve. Corporal Felix Desperos, ML 833-5950, Philippine Army Reserve. To be Private First Class, Private Gideon James Blancover, MLT 2200451, Philippine Army Reserve. Private Denson Dean C. Balisbisan, MLR 19002273, Philippine Army Reserve. Private John Louis M. Santos, MLR 20003886, Philippine Army Reserve. Private Danilo V. Molina Jr., MLR 20002821, Philippine Army Reserve. By order of Colonel Ga, official, signed by Ryan R. Hikbat, Major, Philippine Army, Group Adjutant, and S1.